Hello students, I am your maths teacher and today I am going to explain estimation method to find the square root of any given number. So today we have to read estimation method. Estimation method to find the square root of any given number. Any given number. First of all, tell me what is the meaning of estimation. Estimation means to guess. What is the meaning of estimation? To guess. And by guessing, we will try to know what is the square root of any given number. Okay. Children, in this method, basically we use multiplication. And estimation method is required for those numbers which are not perfect squares. Well, in such cases, we need to estimate the square root. So, let's see example first. Find the square root. Find the square root of 90 by using estimation method. First of all, we find the perfect squares near to 90. So, perfect squares near to 90. Perfect squares near to 90 are, check it, perfect squares near to 90. How many numbers are perfect squares near to 90? So, now let's check from 7 square. 7 square equal 49. 8 square equal 64. 9 square equal 81. 10 square equal 100. 11 squares equal 121. Now check. Perfect squares near to 90 are only two perfect squares. These are 81 and 100. So, we will write here, we get perfect squares. Perfect squares near to 90 are 81 and 100. In mathematical form, how can we write? 81 is less than 90 and 100 is greater than 90. So 90 lies between 81 and 100. Now 81 is written in the form of 9 square and 100 means this is 10 squares. Okay. So we can guess that the answer is between 9 and 10. It means a square root of 90 lies between 9 and 10. So let's try with. 9 plus 10 divided by 2. 9 plus 10, 19 by 2. 19 by 2 equal 9.5. Now 9.5 whole square equal 9.5 into 9.5 and we get 90.25. Next number 9.4 whole square. Here one important thing you have to keep in your mind, we have to find a square root of 90. So we will find these numbers which are nearer to 90. Okay, and here 90.25 is more than 90. So now we will try with 9.4 square. If here we will try with 9.6 square, it means this number is more than 90.25, and now our purpose will not be solved. Okay, that's why we have tried with 9.4 square. 9.4 into 9.4 equal 88.36, and it is less than 90. So we will compare a square root of 90 with these numbers. Okay, so we can say 88.36 is less than 90, and 90 is less than 90.25. And what is the meaning of 88.36? This is the squares of 9.4, and 90.25 is the squares of 9.5 squares. Okay. Now 90.25 is much closer to 90 as compared to 88.36. So we can say that a square root of 90 equal, now 90.25, a square root of 90.25, what will we get? 9.5. A square root of 88.36, what will we get? 9.4. Okay, so a square root of 90, we have estimated it should be 9.5, but this value is approx value. It is not accurate value. Okay, so a square root of 90 is estimated as 9.5 whole square. Okay, once again let's see second example, example number 2. Okay, this was first example and this is second example. Estimate the value of a square root of 1000. Okay, and this is 4-digit smallest number. Okay, now we will find the square root of 1000 by using estimation method. So what is first step? Our first step should be perfect squares near to given number. Okay, so perfect squares near to 1000 are. Now check it. Perfect squares near to 1000 are. Now 30 squares equal 900. 31 squares equal 961. 32 squares equal 1024. Okay, so perfect squares near to 1000 are obviously 961 and 1024. So are 961 and 1024. And how can we write it? 961 is less than 1000 and 1000 is less than 1024. That is 31 whole square and this is 32 whole square. Now we will try with 31 plus 32 divided by 2. Okay. So let's try with 31 plus 32 divided by 2 equal 63 by 2. And we will get here 31.5. Children, always we have to take central value, means mean value of given perfect squares. Okay, so 31 plus 32 divided by 2. This is the mean value of this. So 63 by 2 equal 31 by 0.5. Now 31.5 whole squares equal 31.5 into 31.5. And after multiplying this, we will get 992.25. And this is smaller than 1000. Okay. Now let's proceed. So 31.6 squares equal 31.6 into 31.6. And this is 998.56. Okay. Again, this is a smaller than 1000. So next time we will try with 31.7 whole square. 31.7 into 31.7 equal 1004.89. But here one question arises. One question arises here, that 998.56 is much closer or 1004.89 is closer to 1000. Okay. Now check. If we subtract 998.56, what will we get? Okay. So that time we will get 1.44. And if we subtract 1004.89 minus 1000, this is 4.89. So here 1.44 is difference. It means 998.56 is much closer to 1000. So we can say that 998.56 less than 1000, 1004.89. And this is squares of 31.6 square. This is 31.7 square. Okay. So we can say that 31.6 squares is much closer to 1000. Therefore, a square root of 1000 should be 31.6 approx. Earlier I have told you, in estimation method we found approx value of a square root, okay, not accurate value. So thank you, and I hope you will be enjoyed this video.